Hey everyone! In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix the sign out is not available due to restrictions on iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Then, tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, scroll down to check if the sign out option is available. If it's still restricted, go back and tap on Screen Time. Here, scroll down and tap on Turn off app and website activity. Now enter your screen time passcode. After that, tap on Turn off app and website activity again. Next, scroll up and tap on Change screen time passcode and then select Turn off screen time passcode. Enter your screen time passcode again to confirm. Finally, go back to your Apple ID and you should now see that the sign out option is available. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.